Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 brokers that you can buy stocks with in Europe. First of all, I'm not paid by any of these brokers, and I'm not paid supported that I should shield some eToro or Interactive brokers. I'm just going to give you the truth, what I think is the best for you. And this is another thing, like for you, the top 3 broker can be better than top 1 in a short span, but in the long term, you can go with the safest option by higher fees. So let's just start, and I will go step by step and I will show you and let you decide. What I also recommend is definitely write in the comments like which one you prefer and which one you like that I'm going to show you and which one you choose. The first one, eToro. eToro I choose as a top 5 because of these reasons. Yes, they have free stock and free ETF, that's huge, but they have withdrawal fee of $5. Like every time you withdraw, it's a $5 withdrawal fee. And the second thing is they have inactivity fee of $10 per month after 1 year of inactivity. That will be alright, but they have the highest conversion fee from Euro to USD on the market from all of these brokers. So you need to convert the money to buy stocks, and I don't like that they have such a high conversion fee. Another thing is that I don't like that it takes really long time to withdraw money from eToro, from 7 to 14 days, and many people have huge problems with withdrawing money. So this is another thing that I don't recommend. But why I recommend eToro? Yes, eToro has the free stock and ETF. And the second thing, that if you want to, there is a social trading that you can actually copy trades of others. So let's say that you like someone or trading and his results. What you can do actually is you can copy his trades. And that's amazing, because let's say that you want to day trade, but you don't want to day trade, but also you want to make money. And you can do this. Just go with the social trading, copy someone trades, and voila, you got it. So this is like the summary of eToro. Yeah, it's kind of safe, but I wouldn't go with investing, I don't know, 100 to 200 bucks a month. In my opinion, there are much better brokers comparing to eToro, and let me show you. The top 4 broker that I recommend choosing instead of eToro is a First Trade. You have also a link in the description for registering. First Trade is, in my opinion, huge. They have free stock and free ETF trading. Their web platform and also mobile platform is alright, but they have a lot of negative reviews on Google Play on their app. So I would recommend more trading through their web platform. That's what I would do. Now, they don't have desktop on the web. Also, the free stock and ETF is huge because they are earning money based on interest when you have a balance on your account. So that's why they have it for free. And this is top notch comparing to DeGiro or Interactive brokers and others, is that you're gonna pay no fee. Now, what I like also is the safety, is that they've been here from 1985 and they're really safe, and they have the SIPC protection is 500,000. So that's huge. Now, that's what I would do, and First Trade is a good choice. The third choice I have for trading and buying stocks is a Trading 212. They have also free stock and ETF, and let me show you how it works. So right now you can see it by yourself that I have the free stock and ETF right here, and I can just buy Vanguard, value unit like this, review order, and you can see the commission is for free. Now, this is huge. Okay, wait a second, because I'm not going to cut the video, but the lighting is really bad. So okay, ta-da. So you can buy it for free, the commission. Now, the second thing that I like about trading is that the simplicity of a trading platform and how you can actually buy it. And as you can see, it's really easy to understand. It's simple, but there is the thing, and also their app is amazing. But there is the thing that I don't like about Trading 212, and that's one simple, that it's not really safe. Yes, it was, but it's in 2004, but it's a new one. It's a new platform, and yes, you have free stock and ETF, but still, I don't trust it as I trust First Trade or DeGiro or Interactive brokers. That's my look on this. But still, if I would have up to 20,000, okay, so if I would have money up to 20 to 30 to 40,000 euro, I would go with Trading 212 and First Trade, not eToro. And now let's go further. DeGiro. DeGiro and Interactive Brokers, these are top two, but I have like bonus for you. DeGiro, as you can see, they have 0.6 US stock, the price, comparing to TradeStation Global or Interactive Brokers, they are like lower. So DeGiro is cheaper comparing to TradeStation Global or Interactive Brokers. Also, the trading platform is like much better, and I like it to use it. And they are safe, relatively safe. And you can see like also the safety here. They're regulated up to 20,000 euro, which is all right. And they are a good choice. Also, if you like want to in the future buy ETF, you're gonna have on ETF. It's also for some of them are for free once trade a month, or if you're gonna invest 1,000 euro more monthly into ETF, you're gonna pay also no fee at all. So DeGiro is a good choice, but people are saying that they are not that secured. But still, I mean, they are secured, but if they would go bust, I don't know what I would do. I don't know, but still much more secure than Trading 212. And the last thing that I have for you is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is one of the like top notch that you can choose, but still what I don't like about Interactive Brokers is their UX and UI design of trading platforms. It's really hard to understand, the account opening is really slow, and they have the inactivity fee. So if you have below $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $20 commission every month. If you have above $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $10 commission fee. If you have above 100,000, you're gonna pay no fee at all. But still, it's like crazy expensive. And like comparing to DeGiro, you're gonna pay no fee at all, withdrawal fee or inactivity fee. Also, Trading 212 has no fee at all, like also the inactivity fee or withdrawal fee, so that's huge. And Interactive Brokers has inactivity fee, like the monthly fee. They have also not that good design of their products to mobile or platforms, so that's what I don't particularly like. But what you can do and what you can try to do is to use trading platform called TradeStation Global. And this is the last thing I wanted to show you, because in TradeStation Global, it's like same as Interactive Brokers. You're gonna have access to multiple stocks as Interactive Brokers, and also like the huge benefit to Interactive Brokers is that you actually have option to invest to various markets. Like if you would go to markets and products, you can see it here by yourself that they have the most stock markets on the market that you can invest to, comparing to others. Now, what you can do is like open TradeStation Global account, and you're not gonna pay the inactivity fee. And you can also choose their own web trading platform, or you can choose the Interactive Brokers trading platform. Now, these are good. To summarize this all, okay, so if I would be someone who would be investing up to 1,000 euro monthly or 500 euro monthly, I would go, or 100, doesn't matter, with the trading, First Trade, or DeGiro, up to 50,000. If I would have above $100,000 on account, I would go definitely with the Interactive Brokers, or you can go with a Swiss or Saxo Bank, but it's not cheap. They have a high expensive, they have really expensive stocks, and buying there, yes, it's completely like a ridiculous safe, but still I would go with Interactive Brokers. I would risk it. So if you have above $100,000, go with Interactive Brokers. If you have up to 50,000, I would go with the DeGiro or First Trade. Trading 212 is like but still, but yeah, Trading 212 is here also for a long time. They have good customer service, but I don't know. I don't know. They don't have banking license. They don't not listed on a stock exchange, and financial information is not publicly available. So this is something what I don't particularly like. But still, they have a regulator which is the same as it is for Interactive Brokers, and they have the Bulgarian Financial Supervision Commission. FEC, that is also covering really well on other countries. So that's similar to DEGIRO, by the way, because when you go with the DEGIRO Safety, you're gonna see they have the Danish Central Bank, but still they don't not listed on the stock exchange. So the safest ones in the Interactive Brokers and trading are like TradeStation Global, International. That's like the safest ones. Though without the fee, you got trading, first trade, and eToro. I would go with the first trade or trading 212. And with a low fee and OK security is DEGIRO. So if you have a lot of money, go with the Interactive Brokers. If you want to day trade or everything, go with the first trade or trading 212. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I hope this video helped you and provided some kind of value or like how to understand things and like choose good broker to invest to. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody and have a great day and goodbye.